Siemens presents its new range of TXIO modules based on TXIO technology. The new range of I/O modules can be used worldwide in Siemens building automation and control systems. Owing to their universal use, the number of different types of modules could be reduced to an absolute minimum. The easy-to-install modules conform to DIN standards and feature a very high data point density, enabling them to save a lot of space in the control panel. This overview shows the main types of modules. The universal modules are available with or without LCD and manual control and support nearly all types of signals, such as analog input and output or digital input. Each input and output can be individually configured, allowing the modules to be matched to individual customer needs. When there is a need to handle a large number of digital signals, it is of advantage to use the digital input modules in place of the universal modules. These modules are available in two versions. The 8-point digital input module has multicolor LEDs which indicate the module's operating state, or the plant's alarm state should a piece of equipment fail. This more affordably priced model has just green LEDs but features 16 inputs. The relay modules have been specifically developed for delivering digital positioning signals. They are also available with multicolor LEDs and with or without manual control. The modules are used for the control of pumps, fan drives, or lights, for example.
The TXIO modules are based on the new future-oriented TXIO technology. This stands, among other things, for the unique and industry-leading ability to define an I/O point as an input or output, depending on the module type.
Installation and configuration. So let's install an I/O island. Installation is indeed very straightforward. Starting with a bus interface module or power supply module, you're simply adding module by module, thus building up the bus and establishing the electrical connections. Now a USB cable is used to make the connection to a computer. Then the configuration file can be downloaded. Finished. Easy, isn't it? The new modules are not only easy to install, they also save time and money. For example, the modules require fewer components and material and save installation time, since the field devices can be directly connected with no need for using auxiliary terminals. In addition, TXIO modules can be installed in several rows. A total of 72 modules, installed in a number of control panels, can be interconnected. Operation and maintenance. Each TXIO module has a terminal base and a plug-in I/O unit. This enables the individual modules to be put in a parking position for service purposes, in which case the electrical connection between I/O module and peripheral device will be cut, allowing wiring to be made with no influence from the electronic circuits. Screw terminals with test pickups make maintenance even easier, since service staff have free hands for operating measuring instruments, for example. Label lettering is on both sides, allowing the labels to be read no matter whether the cover is open or closed. Hence, the required connection in the control panel will be easy to find.
When developing the new TXIO models, emphasis was placed on highly versatile TXIO technology, plus, in particular, on straightforward installation. We feel very enthusiastic about the result. Installation is great fun when it is so easy.
For even more flexibility, some of the modules are available as so-called local override and indication devices, which means that control signals can be set directly on the module. When an I/O point is set to manual control, it can be operated via the module's manual switches and the LCD. In this example, we manually change an output from 0 to 100% so that an air damper will be opened. This manual control is useful should an automation station fail, for example, or if it hasn't been installed yet during the commissioning phase. Thanks to the LCD, fault status messages are displayed on the site. The display now shows that something is wrong with the wiring, indicating that there is an open circuit or short circuit. After correcting the fault, the symbol will disappear. Highlights. Based on leading-edge TXIO technology from Siemens, it has been possible to create a small range of I/O modules thanks to the module's versatility. The modules are easy to install owing to their conformance to DIN and the bus that builds itself up. The separate design of terminal base and electronics and manual control make maintenance efficient and convenient. Straightforward wiring saves material, time, and money. Siemens, for all your building automation needs.